Hi everyone, Russell here again. So today I'll show you real quick how to mount mirrors that you can use with the Honda Talon upper doors. Mirrors that you can see from the driver's seat on both sides. So this has kind of been a problem. A few people have come up with some good fixes. I'm super happy with Axia Alloys, extremely high quality stuff. This took about 15 minutes per side. The only thing you need is a ratchet, 5mm Allen and a 6mm Allen and a razor blade and a Sharpie. So 15 to 30 minutes per door. You can have mirrors on here. And so I'll show you step by step. So again, thanks for watching. I appreciate it. Let me know if you have any questions. So here's the mirror completely set up, and I'll just kind of show you how to do it step by step. So you can tighten them down there. It is collapsible if you hit a tree, so it'll just fold in like that. Or if you need to put it in to load it in a trailer, they collapse, pull them back out. You can see them from the driver's seat, and I'll just show you step by step how I did it and put the link to purchase the mirrors down in the description. All right, so here's the view from the driver's seat, basically right in front of my face. So you can see the mirror, and right down to the back of the Talon. All right, so installing this, what I recommend is putting two zip ties around this to temporarily hold it on both sides, and then sit in the driver's seat and then determine how high up on the door you want it. So once you have it zip tied and you get it to where you want it, then go ahead and mark it. So I'm going to put mine about right there. Okay, and then we're going to mark around these clamps. And then we're going to cut out the door. Make a little notch in the door for those to clamp up to the frame. All right, so this is where my marks are at. So I'm gonna just take a razor blade and cut out those two openings. Okay, from the inside, then we're gonna peel this Velcro apart, kind of separate that. And then we're gonna take it and then with a good sharp razor blade, we're gonna cut those notches out. So just pull it away from the frame like that. Give yourself a little room to cut. All right, so once we get the Velcro peeled out, we're gonna basically separate this. And you can see the openings that are cut out. So we have to trim out this little Velcro piece right there so the clamps go on there properly onto the bar. And by the way, just double check on yours, but my door frame is 3/4 inch. So I just ordered 3/4 inch clamps from Axia. So there, that gives us room there to put the clamps on. So these are what the 3/4 inch clamps from Axia look like. So we're gonna put those through the bar and then connect them in there with a bolt. So 3/4 inch. And just a little detail on these clamps. There's a little spot that's countersunk there for the nut to fit in. So we're going to put the nut on the bottom side. So the nut slot is right here on the bottom side. I'm gonna just pop those into place. Those pop in, and then we're gonna put the Velcro back together. And then that's what it looks like before we mount the mirror to it. All right, so before we mount the mirror to the car, we're going to take this bolt out. Okay, so right inside of here, behind that bolt, is a nut, and we're gonna make sure that's super tight, and that's for the swivel. So we're just gonna tighten this bolt, put it back together, and then put it on the Talon. All right, so we got that apart. There's the Allen bolt in it. What is it? Let's see. So I got a 6mm. I'm gonna just put that in and tighten that down. and then we'll put it back together. So, and then for the final installation, we tighten that down pretty snug. And then once that's snug and compresses these together, then tighten down these two. And so this is kind of how it looks. Super happy with it. So of course it just opens and closes with the door. You can't even see anything from the inside because that Velcro completely covers it. Super stable, hooked right up to the frame. Like I said before, if you hit a tree or whatever, that can completely collapse. And the lifetime guarantee on the mirrors from Axia Alloys. So, thanks for watching, and let me know if you have any questions.